Yes. Yep. Sure. Great.
What up, Bergman?
Same thing. Trying to get this lift kit replaced. Taking off the old Pro Comp lift and installing a new BDS.
Nice.
There's just issues with this old kit, which I don't think is issues with the kit itself, more like installation error. Whoever did it didn't do a very good job.
Yeah, they were telling me that there were some parts of the frame that had been chopped up.
So right here, there's a whole chunk of frame that was just not very good cut off.
Oh, okay.
So I gotta remove this plate here, another plate over there, and then set up the new cross member for the new kit. So we can then build a bracket off of that to actually capture it, because the way the kit works is that actually, the new one, it grabs the original lower control arm mount. I no longer have that because of the kit that was on there. So now I have to cut this, get this all out, make a new lower control arm mount to hold the lift kit. Yes.
So essentially the old kit had them, do you think it had them cut it off, or?
I think it definitely had them cut and trim more than what the other kit that we're currently going to use would have removed.
Gotcha.
But I think they took off way more than needed.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, so we're essentially having to rebuild the control arm mount from the factory up in this vicinity.
Right here.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to see more once I get the diff completely out.
Yeah, gotcha.
So, which is my next task. Because the diff's got to come out anyways.
Yeah. So this is a BDS lift we're doing. What size is it?
6-inch.
Ooh, nice.
Well, 6 in the front, 5 in the rear.
Oh, okay, cool.
So it's going to be kind of level.
Yeah.
I think it needs new shocks.
I think it needs new shocks. Yeah, maybe. There's nothing wrong with that.
And
That's
we're
fine.
going to do the right thing and fix that. So we'll get her done. Just going to take a little bit of extra fab work to make the mount, but then after that I'll get the new kit and everything installed, and hopefully by the end of the day, but probably looking at going into tomorrow, and we should be done with this one.
Sweet.
Already got the tires all balanced, ready to go back on. The biggest hurdle is just getting the front done. As soon as that's done, rear is easy. We'll get it all put back together, and the guy's going to really enjoy the way this truck drives. And it'll ride way better. I mean, I think Flintstones is a grade above this. But at least I have a measurement, so I kind of know where this one should land.
Yeah, so now that you can see a little bit better, there should be some with a bolt that goes through for a control arm. Kind of like over there. But it's not there. Bluetooth control arm mount. Get out of the way. And they torched it, and it's
very badly done. I'm pretty sure Grandma with glaucoma could have done a better job. That's fine. That's fine. You don't need to worry about that. Well, once I get this basically positioned where it needs to be, that's why I was taking measurements from the ground. Knowing I got about 5/16, I can kind of get it placed where it needs to be, because, you know, screw jack, and I go and set it where it needs to be, and I can do the thing. 67 and 3/8. And that is 67 and 11/16. that's 2H, which is 4/16. So you remove 4/16
Math.
from 11/16.
Algebra.
Yeah.
What are y'all thinking?
I wish whoever did this hadn't done it. So we're trying right now. We're just kind of trying to figure out how we're going to build the bracket off of this. Whether that means we end up cutting this whole thing off and starting over, or if we build off of this. Either way, we've got to come up with a way to attach this to the frame. And I know that seems pretty simple, but we also want it to look good, so you know, it'll definitely be strong, and our goal is for it to look as professional as possible. Obviously, it won't ever look factory, because we're not going to build it out of stamped steel.
Yeah.
It'll be, I promise, it'll be super strong and look good in the process. Is that right? I'm not sure. Burger!
Oh, I see. That ear goes on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't have to make a place
Yeah.
to do it.
Yeah, so we just don't cover that up. Yeah, we just need to. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you're the one doing this.
Thanks.
It would, in my opinion, this is the way I would want to do it if I was doing the fabbing. I would want this all in place, clean, so that I can just basically start building my box around all that. Mm-hmm. I'm assuming you're wanting to build a plate across the bottom here. Is that what you're?
I haven't even made it that far yet. I got like
you're,
3 measurements.
and then I came over here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
That's why I was kind of putting it together to see how he wants to do it. So
Yeah,
I didn't.
no. Yeah. No, you didn't do anything wrong. I was just talking out loud.
So I'll put it however he wants it.
I was also thinking like a box just to slide over this that can weld. Like not a box, like a 3-sided right here.
That's the C channel.
Okay.
Sit down.
Weld on here.
Do you like that? We can go up and we can weld on here. Yeah, as long as it's strong and looks pretty in the process.
That's what she said. Oh, no, not that.
Take your box where you want it trended. I'll cut it.
Is he mowing the shop? Cut it there. Cut it there. Cue the music. Taking the drive shaft off?
Yes.
Why?
There is an aluminum spacer here for the old kit.
Ah.
And since the new lift blocks, the way it's done, moves the axle forward, with this spacer in, when it goes up, it's going to push the drive shaft into the back of the T case, and we can't have that.
Yeah.
So, Jeebus. At least we know it was torqued. Give it. Thank you. The issue I run into, though, is that. So when that comes off, it's going to be there. It's going to... No bueno. And so is that. That's about as tight as me. Remember what I said earlier about the drive shaft about being the only thing torqued? I wasn't joking. think we should try to reuse that? It's got facets like a jewel.
It's freaking polished.
Yeah, but I don't know how I feel about the divot.
I wouldn't reuse that, no. I mean... Okay.
Ah! This one's actually tight. It stood there for a second. We're going to do the right thing and put new hardware in it. As I said in the last video, we want our customers to be safe. And Grant to be loud as shit.
Oh. I want to see this thing going down the road before.
The lower strut bolt on the front was loose too, like the nut wasn't even hand tight. Just reached up and unthreaded it. So it was just very, very no bueno. Remove the condom.
What?
Had to remove the shop condom.
Dude. Very nice.
Yes. Yep. Sure. Great.
Take it,